Got it here, electric blower by Eagle. So let's see what's about. So that same battery powers up everything, even chainsaw and weed eaters and blowers. This one is a backpack blower. Boom, and there's the whole backpack. I guess the fan built in right here. So it is pretty lightweight. That's crazy. Wow. The heaviest part of the electric tools is the battery. And there's the battery. I have a whole set of them. I have a lot of them, like electric power station. Press the button. Look at that. That's legit. Let's see if it works. Cool. This side here is adjustable. So the only assembly required is right here. Look at that swivel. That's crazy. I never seen on a leaf blower such a good swivel. You see it? That is cool. Now let's put it on. We'll see how hard it is to adjust. Yes, with the batteries it's a little bit heavier, but it is really light still. Super easy to adjust. Wow. It's like a backpack. If you wanna reset it a little bit, I'm gonna make it a little bit lower. I guess I can tighten it right here. Okay. This side here, another adjust further closer. I'm really tall, so I'm gonna adjust it way out here, and just like that with the little screw. Wow. There's a control. Press these two things. Low, faster, turbo. Low. Depends what kind of leaves you have. Swivel. I don't have to worry about this too much. It's so cool. Not just this, you see it? It swivels up and down very easy. So I don't even have to pull on it that hard. We installed the fence. There's a little bit of a giveaway. This is on turbo. So it does the job with the rocks. There's acorns and such. Let's see. It's moving. This is on maximum. I mean, gasoline blowers are a lot more powerful, but this is cool and quiet. I do like that for home use. I mean, it does the job. There are rocks and debris. Okay, what do I think about that blower? Looks like we chewed up 2 bars of this battery, didn't blow that much. It is nice, it's very powerful, very lightweight compared to the engine ones on gas. But you know what, this one is pretty awesome. Electric motor blows it really powerful. If you want a quiet one without worrying about oils and gasoline, this is nice for a small yard. But if you have lots of yard like mine, like 70 acres, you know, I probably still have to stick with the steel gasoline motor. But this is a really cool option. I do like it, but again, I feel like it wasn't as powerful as the gas powered ones for sure. But very nice tool right here. Press this, take it out, boom, put a new one in. I have about 6 of these batteries, so I probably would not run out if I need to blow it all day around here. Still a nice option. And I have solar panels, boom, can charge them up, no problem. But let me know in comments below, do you guys electric with the blowers or are you gas powered still?